All right, this story comes from Ars Technica. Measles outbreak erupts in one of Texas's least vaccinated counties.
RFK has entered the chat, so.
I know, dude. Well, at least none of those kids will end up with autism. So that's good, Cecil.
Fucking the measles. When I was reading this, mark my words, this is not the only one. There will be other outbreaks in the next 4 years for sure. Those outbreaks will then reverberate until after we get someone competent in his position afterwards.
Yep.
So those outbreaks will continue for a long, long time. Measles is highly contagious, way more contagious than many, many other things. And the factor is like, I think one person can get like 9 to 18 people sick. It's like an insane number. And it can have some really bad lasting effects. One of them is death, but other ones can be like immunocompromised for the rest of your life or fuck you up in other ways. It's not great. It's not great to get as a young person. It really, a lot of people like forget how bad measles is. There's a reason why we decided to get a vaccine for it. And now we're going to reap what we sow because so many people were so anti-vax. We saw that anti-vax thing flip up during COVID. Yep. And now there's just this brand new fresh crop of young kids that don't have any vaccines because everybody got terrified from vaccines because they took too much information from too many stupid people.
Yeah, it wasn't that long ago, Cecil. It was in the year 2000 that measles was declared eradicated from the United States. In the year 2000, there was the CDC declared the United States had eradicated measles. We have been on the verge of eradicating some diseases through vaccination programs globally, like eliminating the disease itself to where it's just not anymore. Like we've only done it once. We did it with smallpox. Smallpox was a motherfucker. An absolute motherfucker of a disease. Now it has been eliminated. We came so close to getting rid of polio. So close, Cecil. Measles was eliminated from the United States 25 years ago. That's a generation ago. A whole fucking generation ago. And we've swung now this pendulum back in the stupid direction.
Yeah.
Back in a direction where like people without agency, like let's be real about the people that are most likely to be affected. It's children. Yep. These are people without agency to make these choices. They're the ones that are going to eat this shit. Like those people and immune compromised people and people for whom the vaccine doesn't work, people for whom they have medical conditions which prevent them from getting the vaccine at all, like Guillain-Barré disease. Like there are people that just can't get vaccines or vaccines don't work for them because their immune systems are shot. It sucks. They're the ones that are going to eat the shit, man. Like it's so ridiculously unfair. And like we're dismantling our public health infrastructure.
Yeah.
We're just taking the whole thing apart. We're taking apart the parts of our healthcare system. We're taking apart the parts of our healthcare system that are in charge of monitoring and reporting on this stuff.
Yep.
So soon it won't even be possible to know when the outbreaks occur, how many people were involved. It's going to be just like fucking frontier times, bro. What the fuck? It's like the libertarian version of health policy.